bathtub drain connected to cast iron beneath a cast iron tub, connected with the main cast iron sewer pipe. The P-trap added to keep the dank sewer smell from returning to house side. Old cast iron pipe, sewer pipe, which is very good quality, lasts 50 plus years, still in good condition. One can connect PVC, other types of drain pipe to it. This is connected via a Fernco fitting. Again, bathtub, cast iron bathtub, plumbed to main sewer line beneath house, which now if one has a leak, they do not have to remove the hard pipe. They can actually take and remove the bottom of the P-trap to clean out hair, other debris which may impede the water flow, or worse, block the water flow up. So again, connected with the P-trap to the cast iron T, which is a 3 or 4 by 4 to a 2-inch T. Connect it to the PVC directly beneath the old cast iron tub.